All right, I'm gonna be honest. I've been trying to do this little fridge thing like 16 times, and I can't pull it together. I'm making French toast. That's what I'm doing. Stay tuned. There's 2 ways to do it, and that's it. I can't pull it together today. I don't know what's wrong with me, but yeah, French toast. Let's go.
So, we are going to be putting in a tablespoon of orange juice, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/2 cup of half and half, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 3 eggs. Of course, we need butter for cooking these bad boys, and get yourself a nice Hawaiian sweet bread that's not cut so you can make your own perfect size slices. Secret ingredient for the second round of French toast will be frosted flakes. Now our goal here is to crack everything into the bowl and then give it a nice whisk. And once we're done with that, we'll be putting in some frosted flakes. We'll do 3 cups and we'll be breaking those things down. Alright, put your custard and your frosted flakes in separate bowls. Put the frosted flakes aside and let's get cutting up our bread. First things first, chop it up. You want to do it probably about 3/4 of an inch thick. I think that's the proper size to make. I always like it like that big. If it's a little bit bigger, you can kind of get some dry spots in the middle. If it's a little bit smaller, it's just kind of just flat and gross. So here we go. We're going to throw in our butter. Do a tablespoon. Get that all melty and nice. You have your first sweet bread. Throw it in this nice little bath. Soak it around well. Give it a little shake and pick it up and be gentle because it is fragile and will fall apart very easily. And repeat this step again on the next slice. Stick that in there. Give it 2 to 3 minutes or until it's golden brown on the sides, and then flip it over like so right here. Boom, look at that. Perfect. Now get some butter on there. Pour on your syrup of choice. And just pull out a fork. You won't need a knife because it should just slide right through like butter. Check that out. That is some winner French toast.
So this is how we make a regular French toast. Just super easy. It should be nice and soft and like custardy and just beautiful. And yeah, gotta take a nice bite. Try this one out. Oh God. That's a winner. All right, let's make the second one.
Okay, we got the butter in the pan. Same thing as last time. So just do a little dredgy. Soak it up. We're going to be throwing in the cornflake mixture. And just try to coat it as best you can. And you can use any other cereal you want, really. And it comes out good with everything. I've even done Captain Crunch, believe it or not. So just repeat the process with the second piece. Wait 2 to 3 minutes or until the edges are getting golden brown, just like we did previously. And then we're just going to plate this up. And yeah, check that out. Perfect and neat. We're going to throw some butter on here. We're going to pour on the syrup once again. Check that out. So this one definitely looks nicer. And it cuts just as beautifully. No need knife. If you need a knife, you did something wrong. Oh yeah.
All right, and this is the breaded version. Super easy, super delicious. I came up with this because we used to have this place called Egberts. I used to live pretty down the street from us. That was absolutely delicious, and they had breaded French toast like this. I didn't realize it was cornflakes, and I asked them the last day that they were open and found out. So I've been practicing this ever since. It's crunchy, it's delightful, it's delicious, and if you use the Hawaiian sweetbread, it just stays fluffy and just top notch. Hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned until next week.